Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rogini from GK Jain Schools, Raibaram. So before watching our video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will receive all the latest notification of our videos regularly. Thank you. Now in today's class, we are going to see about the 5th standard maths topic, least common multiples. In short, we'll call it as LCM. Okay. So already in my previous video, I have taught about how to find the common multiples and how to find the multiple of a given number. Okay, if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Okay, so that you will understand this LCM concept better. Okay, so what is the least common multiple? Right, we know how to find the common multiple, right? So the next step, we are going to find the least common multiple. Okay, now I am going to write an example problem. Okay, shall we see that? Yes. So find the LCM. Okay, so wherever we are using the least common multiple, how we should write it? LCM in short, and we should put a dot in between the LCM. Okay, of what number we are going to find out? 4 and 6. Okay, so we know how to find the common multiple of a given number, right? So if I give you find the common multiple of a given number 4 and 6 means you know how to do it. Okay, this is LCM, which means least common multiple of the 4 and 6. So in that also, what is the first step? Yes, we have to find the common multiples first. Okay, this is one method to find the LCM. The other method I will teach you. Okay, this is the first method to find the LCM. Okay, so first we have to write the multiples of 4 and 6 first. Okay, what is the multiples of 4? 4, yes, very good. 8. Then what is the number? Yes, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And then 32. Okay, these are all the multiples of 4 up to I have written. Next, 6 multiples, 6, 12, 18, then 24, and then what number? 30, 36. After 36 plus 6, we have to add it 42, 42 plus 6, 48. I have written up to 8 multiples of the two numbers. Okay, now shall we see which is the common multiples? That means we are going to find the common numbers among these. Which are all the common number? Yeah, 12 is the common number. Then, yeah, 24 is a common number. Then any other number is common? No, right? So 12 and 24 we have found out common. Okay, so then what is least common multiple? Now we have found out the common multiple of the two given numbers, which is 12 and 24. Least, we have to find the least common multiple. Okay, what is the meaning of least? Least means lesser number. Okay, which is a small number. So which is the small number among these two common multiples, 12 or 24? Yes, 12 is the smaller number, right? So what is the LCM? The least common multiple of 4 and 6 is what number? Which is the least number? 12. Least common multiple is what? 12. So this is the first method to do the least common multiple of a given number. Understood? So now that we have find the least common multiple using the first method, right? So it's very easy, right? 4 and 6 we have written, and then we wrote the multiples of the two numbers, and then we found out the common multiples of the numbers. And after that we found out the least number which is common for both the numbers, right children? Yes. So it's okay to do with the small numbers. What if some big numbers are given? It's not possible to do that, right? So it's very difficult to do that for the LCM of some big numbers like 99 or 45 or 52, right? You have to write the whole multiples and then you are going to find the common multiples. It's going to be time consuming, right children? So do we have any other method to do the LCM easily? Yes, we have another method to do the LCM fortunately. Okay, so shall we see that? This method is applicable to all the numbers, even for 3 digits numbers. Okay, so that method is called as prime factorization method. LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, so we are going to see the method 2. This method is what method? Prime factorization method. This method is called as prime factorization method, or it is also called as L division method. So let us see how to find the LCM of the two given numbers by using the prime factorization method. Yes. So the first question is, find the LCM of 8 and 12. Okay, so shall we take this number to find the LCM? Yes. So what is prime factorization method? The name itself is telling you we have to factorize the given numbers using the prime numbers only. Okay, we learned about the prime numbers, right? So we have to categorize this 8 and 12 using the prime numbers. So using the least prime numbers will be easy. So which is the least prime number? 2. So we are going to see 8 will go in 2 tables. Yes, it will go how many times? 4 times, right? So 2. Again 4 will go in 2 table. Yes. How many times? 2 times. Next 2. It will go, right? So how many times? 1 time. Then we are going to see the factorize the 12 also. So which table 12 will go least? Think of the least prime number. Yeah, 2 table. 12 will go in 2 table. How many times 12 will go in 2 table? Yes, 6 times. Then 6. Will it go in 2 table? Yes. How many times? 3 times. Okay, now that we have reached 3. So 3 is a prime number. Yes, we can use it to factorize 3, 1. Okay, 1. We are getting the 1. We have to stop doing the prime factorization. Okay. The next step is we are going to write the factors in the multiplication form. We have found out the prime factors of 8 is 2, 2, 2. How to write it? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then we are going to write the prime factors of 12. So how to write it? 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. This is what we have got the prime factors of 8 and 12. So now the next step what you are going to do is we are going to see the common factors. Okay, which is common? 2 is common, and here 2 is common. So while writing the answer, how to write it? We have to write the common factors only one time. Okay, so LCM of 8 and 12. Okay, so as I told you how to write it, when we see the common numbers, how to write it in the multiplication? Yeah, we have to write it one time. So 2 2's are here, we have to write 1 2. Multiplication into 2 2 is here, 1 2. So these two are separate, this is not common. So we have to write that number as it is. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the 4 numbers. So what is 2 2's are? 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 3's are, what is the number? 24. Correct. So what is the least common multiple? What is the least common multiple of 8 and 12? Yeah, it is 24. This is very easy, right? Compared to when we are given the 2-digit number also, it will be very easy to do this prime factorization method rather than writing the multiple of a 2-digit number by counting the numbers. Right, children? Yes? Understood the concept? Yes. Today we learned about how to find the least common multiple of two given numbers. Right? We saw 2 methods, out of which prime factorization method is very easy to do with all the numbers for even 2-digit number and 3-digit number also. Yes. So in the next video we will see about some life application problems of the LCM. Yes. Thank you.